Take a look at this C5 Corvette, just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. Beautiful 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. This one is in medium spiral gray metallic. This color would have replaced pewter in 2003. Very nice looking color, very rich too with the light oak. This has a light oak leather interior, light oak top to it. Very rich color combination. Also some kind of nice tasteful aftermarket things done to this. I'll kind of point out as we go around it. As you can see, the paint is in nice shape. Car has a little over 78,000 miles on it. I'd say it's been very well taken care of, as you can see by the paint and the interior under the hood. This particular car, speaking of under the hood, would have a 5.7 liter LS1 engine in it, 350 horsepower engine, the way it would have came from Chevrolet in 2003. That is paired with the optional 6-speed manual transmission. Very nicely equipped car. As you can see, one of the things, got the Z06 styled chrome wheel on it, similar to that. And then also, if you take a look behind that wheel, you're going to see one of the other upgrades. It has slotted and drilled rotors at all 4 corners. Of course, this car is going to have power steering, power brakes, AC. And then some other goodies on the inside that I'll point out when we get there. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior of this car, you can see the undersides, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too. We'd be happy to help you out with this car. Number we're going to be reached at 507-386-1726. Take a look at the interior, not showing a lot of wear. Check out the passenger seat here. Very nice shape. Now, this would have had dual power seats, both sides. Power windows and locks, of course. Now, here's one of the other ads. As you can see, the sill plate, door sill plate there is a chrome. That would be an aftermarket. Of course, 2003 being the 50th year that the Corvette was in production. So the dash is not cracked, also nice shape. Like I said, you'd have your dual climate control, so you'd have your passenger temperature, which you can see down in the HVAC system there. There's your 6-speed manual transmission. The waterfall. Of course, these were a manual top. One person can put the top up and down from the driver's side. Very simple manual top to use. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. One other thing that a lot of our classic and specialty vehicles, they will qualify for an extended warranty, which you can ask one of your sales consultants about. Be happy to go through the car you're interested in, if it would qualify or not. Another little ad back here. See the chrome inlaid Corvette there, and the rear slats in the taillights. Custom look. Of course, the center dump exhaust. Once again, check out the still pictures. You can look this car all over. You can see it's not full of a lot of nicks or dings or scratches. Very well taken care of. Check out those still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, that phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with any questions you may have. Let's go ahead and check out this light oak interior. Again, just a rich color combination. Bose stereo system. Of course, over here you would have your memory seating, power mirrors. This car also has heads-up display. Again, power driver's seat also. And you can see it's not, lots of times on this bolstering through here, you get a lot of wear. In this one, very nice shape yet. Let's go ahead and fire it up and we'll listen to it. Check out the engine bay. Also, there's no check engine lights or anything like that on. Like I said, a little over 78,000 miles, 78,463. HVAC system, CD, AM, FM stereo, and again, dash in very nice shape. Another little specialty touch up here, auto dimming rear view mirror with the Corvette inlay. Slip around to the back of this one. No crazy exhaust. Looking underneath the hood, it doesn't look like there's any major modifications. The engine, anything like that. Just a nice sounding 03 Corvette. I'm going to go ahead, let's pop this. I think I can do it one-handed easily enough. There's the 5.7 liter LS1. Again, very stock looking underneath the hood. Nothing crazy done there. Adult owned and driven car in very nice shape. So there you have it. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Medium spiral gray metallic, light oak interior, 6-speed manual transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.